Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix talkback feature in your Honor smartphone. You can see how you can fix your talkback feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to take two fingers to swipe up, then click on one time, then enter the pass key. Tap one time and enter the password. You have to just take this and make a password like this. Click on one time to select the setting app, then double tap it. Then you have to click on accessibility, double tap it, go to accessibility, double tap it, talkback, double tap. You have to turn it off like this, press on OK. And friends, you can see your phone is now normal and talkback feature is disabled now successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.